Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and essential tutorial: how to clear history on Firefox in 2025. Whether you're looking to protect your privacy, free up some space, or just start fresh after a browsing spree, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of Firefox installed. It's always a good idea to keep your browser updated for the best security features. Open Firefox on your computer or device. Once it's loaded, look for the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. That's the menu button. Give it a click to expand your options. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Library and then choose History. This will take you to your browsing history page, where you can see all your recent visits. Now, spot the Clear Recent History option and click on it. A new window will pop up, allowing you to customize what you want to delete. In this window, you'll see a list of items like browsing history, cookies, cache, and form history. For most users, checking browsing and download history is the main one, but feel free to select others based on your needs. You can also pick a time range, such as today or everything, depending on how thorough you want to be. Once you've made your selections, hit the Clear Now button to confirm. And just like that, your history is wiped clean. This simple process helps maintain your online privacy and can even improve your browser's performance. Remember, clearing history doesn't affect your bookmarks or saved passwords, so you're good to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.